Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Are you struggling to speak English fluently despite trying all the methods? You might have come across new methods, different methods that can help you speak English fluently, but still you fail. You cannot speak English fluently. How to overcome this problem? I will help you. Today, I will share with you some new and unique techniques that can help you speak English fluently. Practicing these techniques will help you become a fluent English speaker very soon. So let's see what are those techniques. The first one, use 3, 2, 1 technique. This exercise helps you practice speaking with gradually reducing the time limit. Let's see the steps. The first one, 3 minutes. You should choose a topic and talk about that topic continuously for 3 minutes. Choose any topic that you like, something that is interesting for you. Choose such a topic and then talk about that topic for 3 minutes. You need to talk about that topic continuously for 3 minutes. You should not pause in between. I know it is a bit difficult initially because we are practicing, right? We are training ourselves to be fluent in English. So initially it will be a bit difficult to speak without pausing in between. Try speaking continuously. Try however you can. But you should work hard. You should try harder. Now the second one is 2 minutes. Yes, now you need to talk about that same topic for 2 minutes. Yes, you need to take that same topic and talk about it for 2 minutes. Now what changes you need to make here? You might be thinking, okay, we talked about that topic for 3 minutes. Now what about 2 minutes? What you need to change is, you need to focus on being more clear and short. You should exclude all the unnecessary sentences and words. It should be short and clear. So you just need to speak about that same topic for 2 minutes, excluding all the unnecessary words. Now the next one is, you guessed it right, 1 minute. Talk about the same topic for 1 minute. So in that 1 minute, you need to talk about the same topic, but it should be very short. It should be only for 1 minute. You need to exclude all the unnecessary points and sentences, and you should only talk about it for 1 minute, and it should only include the main points. So summarize it and talk about it for 1 minute and include only the main points. What benefit can this exercise or this method bring to you? It improves your ability to think and speak faster. It enhances your fluency. Just think about this method. You are stressing your brain here. You are working your brain to talk faster but in different time limits. You are making it long, you are making it short, and you are training your brain. This can help you improve your fluency. So try this method. The second one is to embrace silence and pauses. Most learners fear silence while speaking, but it's actually a natural part of fluent conversation. You know, I pause in between. I add some fillers in between. You know why? Because that is natural. I am not building up my fluency. I am speaking it however I can. Now think about your native language. Do you pause in between? Do you add filler words in between? And do you panic for that? Never. We speak our native language however we can, however we want, because it's our native language. Same is with English. English is just another language. Anyone can speak English. And don't worry if you have to pause in between and think, or if you want to add any filler words because you cannot get a particular word. That's all right. You can pause, you can have silence in between. That is not a problem. So try to pause or silence in between so that you can get some time to think in between. It can help you construct the sentences better. So, try this method while speaking. This can improve your fluency. Even though we are pausing in between, this can help you build your fluency. So, try to embrace the silences. The next one is storytelling with a twist. You know what? Storytelling is a powerful tool to speak English fluently. Now, how can you effectively use this storytelling to improve your fluency in English? There are two methods. First one is random word storytelling. Choose 5 random words from the dictionary or any book that is lying next to you and create a story that includes all these 5 words. Just make a story that includes all these 5 words. Different day choose different words. So try making a story out of 5 random words. The second method is time yourself. Set a timer for 5 minutes or 3 minutes or even 1 minute. Whatever time you requires, choose that time and set the timer. And then tell a story. Anything, you can use any words or any theme in your story, that is your wish. So make a story in the limited period of time. This activity encourages quick thinking and creativity. This can help you build fluency because in the first activity you are choosing 5 random words. You don't know those words and you are training your brain to speak then and there without practicing it earlier. For the second exercise, you are setting a timer. So you are again pressurizing your brain to speak in a limited period of time. So, the English words, that fluency, it will come out of you automatically. The next method is visual thinking practice. Visual aids can significantly improve your ability to describe and discuss topics fluently. In every situation, visual aids helps a lot. In this exercise, you need to describe images. Pick a random image from any magazine or online and describe that picture. Describe everything you see in detail, focusing on new vocabulary. Here there aren't any time limit, so you can think and talk about any topic, but try to include new words in this topic. When you're talking about a particular topic, try to include new words in it. And talk about that picture. Start with simple images, maybe a flower in a garden or something like that, and then later on move to complex scenes, something like a marketplace. In a marketplace we have a lot of things to explain about. So initially choose something that is very simple and then move on to complex images. This can also help you build your fluency. So those are the 4 techniques or 4 methods that can help you improve your fluency. Remember, fluency is a journey. Try these unique techniques and watch your English speaking skills improve. Not just fluency, it can help you improve your vocabulary, your grammar, your sentence structures. It can help you improve all your English aspects, all your English problems very easily. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.